so much fun, this boat. Absolutely love it. Join me as I take this small inflatable boat further offshore than ever before, heading out to fish some shipwrecks for the very first time. The conditions were perfect for exploring new ground, and I was rewarded with a surprising mix of species along the way. It's very, very hot. Well, off we go. Beautiful morning in Falmouth, and we're out on the Sib today. We're going to head out to some wrecks to start, as it's quite calm, and then we're going to come inshore and fish some reefs. Beautiful morning. It is, time check, 7:30. I think low tide is around lunchtime, so we should have a little bit of tide running. See how we get on. This is the Sib, all kitted out, ready to go. Fish finder, get that on. There's the old trusty outboard, the Tatsu 20. Right, off we go. Right, we're over the wreck there, just coming up to it. See a big show of bait fish there, just on the top edge of the wreck. So if there's bait fish, there's got to be bigger fish, hopefully. I wasn't feeling very confident because I'm not quite on the wreck, but we have just had a hit. And I've got no idea what this is going to be because the wreck is surrounded by sand. It's quite exciting, this. You don't know what you're going to catch. What is it? That is a little whiting, I believe. Whiting or poor cod? If you know, let me know in the comments. Here's a little whiting. Going back. Oh, that's good, he's gone back. But as you might be able to tell, this is something I've never really done before. Pretty far offshore, trying to find this wreck, jigging. So yeah, it was nice to catch that whiting, if it was a whiting. So yeah, you just got to get out there and try these things. Beautiful day for getting out. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, if you do get a Sib, you know, take it steady a little bit at a time, get your confidence up, and then end out here. But this is awesome. Quite a lot of jellyfish. Right, we're into one. Something small. Could be what is it? Oh, it's a wrasse. That's quite a nice wrasse actually. Beautifully coloured wrasse. Well, just one wrasse on that reef, so let's go and try somewhere else. Catching mackerel. But at least we're getting a few. See him on the sounder there. Straight in. It's like a computer game. One on. Oh, there we go. We managed to get back into the shoal. Jiggly jiggly mackerel. We're putting up a bit of a scrap for this. In you come. One on every hook. Oh. Escaping mackerel, escaping mackerel. It's very, very hot. Well, nothing on that drift, so let's go inshore and try some of the inshore reefs. See if there's anything doing there. Love that engine, absolutely love it. Kill cord, very important, always put that on. That cuts the engine if you go overboard. If you don't, your boat keeps going and probably chop you up. Let's go in there. Got a little friend on board. Little bee. What are you doing all the way out here? Last something a little bit better. There you go. Little tiddly tiny pollack. There you go. Now we just need some bigger ones. It is 12:30. We're just coming off low tide now, so I'm expecting the fishing to get better. Can't get much worse. It's absolutely dead so far. But we're coming off low, there should be some tide starting to move. Bit of a tide change direction, hopefully, might trigger them into feeding. So I'm out on a reef, another reef, and there's two pinnacles that stick up from 20 to about 17 metres. We've had one pollack. I could catch mackerel all day long, so I keep seeing them swim past on the sounder, but don't really want mackerel all day long, although it is fun. So I'm going to put my 40 jig, cotton candy, 40 gram jig, cotton candy colour, see if we can winkle out some better pollack. can see sand eel in the water, and I can see them on the sounder, but they're about 2 inch long. They're tiny. If that's what they're feeding on, we're going to have to try and match it, but we'll see what we can do. We'll see how we get on with this. I'll get back to you if there's any action. It's proper hot as well now, so I've had to put this on because it started burning up, I think. Absolutely flying now. Still glassy. So much fun, this boat. Absolutely love it. Tell you what though, it's a decent one. Oh. Size of that one. Not a bad mackerel. Real mixed size of them today. Hold him up for you if he stops wriggling. See the size of it. That'll be a good bit of eating. Incredible. Right, we've just changed to a 16 gram Sandy Andy, first cast. We're in. I think it could be a wrasse. Oh, that's a pollack. A golden one. Ah. Beautiful colours. See that? Lovely golds and oranges. Smash that Sandy Andy. Go straight back. Off it goes. So that's the 16 gram, quite a dark coloured one. But the tide has pretty much died up. We're drifting at half a knot, which means I can fish some lighter soft plastics, which is good. Good wrasse, male. Oh, the colours on that. Beautiful fish. It's tiny. With that, it was time to gut a few mackerel, give the gulls a little feed and cruise back in after an epic, although very hot day on the water. Well, I am absolutely cooked. Oh, that's the hottest day so far. And I'm done. The gulls have had a feed. We've got plenty of mackers. Hard work finding the bigger stuff, so back to base. Thanks for watching, see you next time.